Hello guys, magandang umaga. Ito nga po pala yung pagkain ng aking mga aso at tuta. Ayan. Kahit po konti lang pero pinaghahati-hatian po nila yan. Dinurog-durog ko muna. Ayan po sila, nakaabang na. Kailangan kong durogin. Ayan guys. Papakainin ko na sila habang yung iba naman wala pa.
The boy got us eating lovely. So much dog food, you think we breeding puppies? I see grams like gin. Listen, I see grams like gin. One no like 10. One no like 10. Listen. Who a hustler, baby? Who can give blow to the wind? But tell me, what do they put inside that dog food?